to my channel. Just excuse the sun flare that's happening right now. The sun is setting, so I'm just trying to wrap up this video before it goes across my face. So for today's video, I really wanted to play with a fun, bold color, and blue has always been one of my favorite colors to wear on my lids. I feel like with my dark hair and dark eyes, it just really pops and shines really nicely with my dark features. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is the makeup look that we ended up with. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look as well as all the makeup products that I use, then please just keep on watching. So since in my last video I forgot to do my eyebrows until the very end, I'm going to do them right now just so that I can get them out of the way and don't forget about them again. I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. Alrighty, brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes so that we can get started on eyeshadow. And the primer that I'm using is the Milani eyeshadow primer. And I also brought the Dose of Colors a Desi x Katy palette. This is their Friendcation palette. This blue was what inspired me to do a bold eye look today. So to get started, I'm just gonna take a big fluffy shader brush and I'm gonna go in with this corner color right here. It's just a really beautiful, like, cool tone beige color that's perfect to put all over your lid to start off your eye look. This will help all the other colors blend out really easily on top. Kind of neutralizes your lid and make it all one even tone. So I'm gonna take my big fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna go in with Necessary. It's this mid-tone brown color right here. I love this color for a transition shade. So just tilt your head back a little bit and put this right in the crease. I'm gonna take a riff from the Born to Run palette. It's a really gorgeous kind of like terracotta orange color, and I'm gonna put that right on top of that transition color that we just laid down, right on top of our crease, and blend it in. So I'm going to take this warm chocolate brown color, tap off the excess, and mix it with this cooler tone brown up here. And with this, I'm going to carefully put it right in the outer corner. It's pretty pigmented, so go lightly with your application and build it up. So I'm going to put this kind of on the outer half of my eye, but mainly in the outer V area, and then just blend it in just a bit at a time. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend out this color. You can never do too much blending when it comes to your eyeshadow. I'm going to just take this on a small shader brush. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this right on our lid. And this color is so pigmented. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a blue with a purple shift. So you have a lot of really gorgeous purple shimmers all throughout when you move your head. And don't worry if it looks a little crazy, we're going to blend it out. Just lay the color down where you want it, and then with your same blending brush with the two brown colors, you're just going to take that same brush and blend it in towards the blue so that everything kind of has a gradient effect and it's not just like a straight up line from brown to blue. I'm going to take a fluffier pencil brush and go in with this transition color again. Tap off the excess. And with this color, we're going to blend out the blue towards the inner corners. And you just want to do it in really small, like side to side motions. Nothing too harsh because you don't want to blend that blue up any further. You just want to get rid of that demarcation line. So I like how this looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I evened out both sides and actually took a makeup wipe to clean up the mess that was on my cheeks. I just did a really clean, sharp line on the outer edge, so you can see that like really sharp, defined, angled line right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit more blending and add a little bit of warmth to this look, because right now that blue looks really bold and cool tone. I want something that's a little bit warmer peeking out underneath. So I'm gonna take Baja from the Born to Run palette. It's this really gorgeous orange red right here. So with this color, I'm gonna lightly blend it into the crease, and you can see how pigmented it is already. I barely touched it to my eyes, and you can already see that color coming together. So I'm gonna put this right on top of our transition, but really lightly. I just want that hint of orange and warmth to peek out, but nothing too drastic where it takes away from our main color, which is the blue color. So to play up the blue even more, I'm going to take a really shimmering highlight to highlight the inner corner. And right now I just have the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia with me, and I'm going to put this right in the inner corner. See how the white just makes the blue pop even more? I love doing this when I'm doing a dark smoky eye. So that's pretty much it for our lids. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, especially because I don't have any foundation on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the eyes so that we can pull this whole look together. I'm gonna do a slight winged liner. I'm using the Schwing Black Liquid Eyeliner from the Balm. I really liked that liner. It made it super easy to get a really nice, clean, thin line. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm just gonna use my favorites. These are the 811s by Ardell. So lashes are on, and I also applied some mascara. I'm gonna line my waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Demolition. So now we can go ahead and apply our base products. I'm going to start off with the Marc Jacobs Do You Do Drops. This is a golden tone liquid highlighter, and I actually really like this mixed in with my foundation. But today I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face where I would normally apply highlighter, and I just apply this with my fingers. I think this has a really beautiful, like, golden, what's it called? What am I trying to say? It has a really nice golden effect underneath your foundation. And you can actually apply this on top of your foundation too if you want. But I like it underneath or mixed in. Just trust me, I know this looks crazy right now. I look like Goldmember from Austin Powers, but it'll all make sense in just a bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. This is the IT Cosmetics Matte CC Cream in the shade Medium Tan. I took this in a little jar with me on our honeymoon to Hawaii, and I'm literally just trying to use it up because there's still quite a bit of product left in this tiny little jar. So foundation is on. Let's go ahead and apply some under eye concealer just to brighten up that area with any leftover blue eyeshadow. Today I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and this is the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to take an e.l.f. highlighter brush, tap it into some Laura Mercier loose powder, and set my under eyes. So to finish up with our eyes, I'm going to take another 24/7 pencil from Urban Decay. This is the shade LSD. It has a really gorgeous, like, metallic silver shift, but the majority of this color is blue, so it'll tie in with the top lid really nicely. I'm just going to take a pencil brush and blend this out. So with the same brush, I'm going to take the color Rift, which is what we use on our top lid, and I'm going to put this right underneath the blue and blend it into the inner corner. And it's just going to smoke out everything and then tie the whole eye look together. I'm just going to do a light layer of mascara on my lower lash line, and I think we should be done with the eyes. Alright, so that is it for the eyes. Let's finish up with our face. I'm going to bronze up a bit because I look like death right now with just foundation and a really heavy smoky eye going on. So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in the shade Bronze 3. You guys have seen me use this before. This is nothing new on my channel. I absolutely love this bronzer. So I'm going to take this on a Luxie blush brush. So for blush, I wanted something a little bit peachier because I wanted to tie in with the warmth that's in our transition color. So this is the Burt's Bee Blush with Bamboo. I'm not sure what that means, but this is in the shade Bare Peach. I love these blushes. They're really pigmented, but they're also buildable, so it's not like major pigmentation right away where you get a big splotch of peach on your cheeks. Okay, so you can stop here if you want to do a matte face with the glittery eyes, but you know I like a little bit of a highlighter. So nothing too crazy, nothing too blinding. I'm actually going to use the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the shade Extra. You see what I mean? Like, you can see the glow, but it's nothing super white and blinding and shimmery. It just has a really nice natural effect to it. So that's really it for the face, guys. I'm gonna set it really quickly. I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is Prime, Correct, and Set, and this claims to have 16-hour wear. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Seduction. I love this line of lip products from Revlon. It's really comfortable, it's matte, but it's not drying, it doesn't like crack on your lips. And this shade in Seduction is a really gorgeous warm nude color. I actually wear this a lot. And then to top it off, I'm going to use Midnight Cowgirl Hi-Fi Shine by Urban Decay. This is like a staple in my collection. I'm never without this product. And I'm just going to apply this on the middle of my lips. So this is the finished makeup look. I am so happy with the way it came out. This just makes me want to play with more bold colors for my eye look. So just keep an eye out for some more fun colors in my tutorials. But I love how this came out. Pretty bummed that I'm just going to be wiping this off after this video because it's Sunday and I have nothing going on. I hope you guys like this look. Of course, if you try it out, tag me in your pictures. I love seeing you guys recreate my makeup looks. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments about any of the products or about this makeup look, let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.